Tandaan mo to, di ka niya mahal. Di ka niya mahal. Sayang. What's burning, guys? Day 2. We're gonna be attending ESGS and we have a guest.
Ay po, yung girlfriend niya. Girlfriend ba?
Against the light. Against the light. The friend. Kaya, we'll be going there na.
Yung girlfriend mo, nasaan? Nasaan?
Wala ko nun.
Tinanong ka pala kahapon kung nasaan yung girlfriend.
Wala akong girlfriend.
Sabi mo nandito kahapon, di ba?
We're here.
Akala ko ako daw yung girlfriend. Akala ko ako yung girlfriend.
Sorry, hindi ka napasado sa standards niya. So.
Ay! Baka the other way around. Siya yung hindi papasa sa standards ko, di ba?
Pero pinatulan mo din.
Oh.
Pinatulan niya rin ako.
Okay na, bye-bye. See you sa venue. See you sa venue. Yan, nakapasok na kami. Mga ganap na, may mga ganap na. Pero ang mahalaga ay nakapasok na kami. Day 2 ng ESGS. As expected, ang daming tao kasi, well, Sabado. Ito talaga usually yung time na maraming tao. And first time ni Lian sa ESGS ngayon kasi last year wala siya. Kaya we're gonna be exploring muna. Wala na ako yung montage kasi inubos ko na kahapon. Kaya...
There's a way, kind of freestyle, face reality. Never be charity. The enemy, your buddy, covers all society. Damn right, mommy's not here, gonna fight. Right here, shadow 10 o'clock direction. Seize the moment, destroy the nation. You rhyme slow motion, give me motivation. Freak out now, and then on your rival. Round up around, spit out, all over. Rhyme like a rolling stone, calm in the crowd. Watch out the moon, that this too loud. This was this sound, and bombs whole ground. Surround up, don't ease the pace, cause enemies brutal. Moment of truth, there ain't no truth. You're the only one world, one lord. But the battle goes on, shadows all mass destruction.
Oh yeah, down, 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 baby, baby, down, 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 down. Oh yeah, down, 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 baby, baby, down, down, down. Oh yeah, down, 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 baby, baby, down, down, down. Oh yeah, down, 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 baby, baby.
There's a way, kind of beast loud, face reality. Never be charity. The enemy, your buddy, covers all society. Damn right, mommy's not here, gonna fight. Right here, shadow 10 o'clock direction. Seize the moment, destroy the nation. You rhyme slow motion, give me motivation. Freak out now, and then on your rival. Round up around, spit out, all over. Rhyme like a rolling stone, calm in the crowd. Watch out the moon, that this too loud. This was this sound, and bombs whole ground. Surround up, don't ease the pace, cause enemies brutal. Moment of truth, there ain't no truth. You're the only one world, one lord. But the battle goes on, shadows all mass destruction.
Oh yeah, down, 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 baby, baby, down, down, down. Oh yeah, down, 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 baby, baby, down, down. Oh yeah, down, 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 baby, baby, down, down. Oh yeah, down, down, baby, baby, down, down.
Alam ang legendary.
Naalala ko sabi mo pag-iipunan natin si Saya, hindi naman natuloy.
Alin?
Tignan mo rin tayo maglaro.
Kaya naman yun. Sa Wild Rift na lang. Update. Dami na kasing tao, so sisibat muna kami. Pupuntahan namin yung ano hanapin natin?
iPad.
May hahanapin kami isang item daw. Para ika-canvas muna ni Lian. Sorry. May bigla kami tumigil. Akala namin may VIP. May kukunin lang kami madali na iPad. Hindi pala kukunin. Titingnan. Ika-canvas na iPad. Gagamitin yata ni Lian sa bago niya hobby, which is being a financial advisor. So, syempre, titingnan muna daw niyan since nandito na rin lang naman daw kami. Tapos mamaya, babalik din kami agad kasi baka dumating na yung other friends namin. Kaya, stay tuned! Ito na po ba ang hinahanap nyo, ma'am? Ang meticulous, may hinahanap po.
May hinahanap talaga particular na masyado namang expensive.
For presentation purposes. Naglaro ang habang.
Ano ba mag-steam? Sorry. Ito na ba siya? Kasi photo lang siya.
Ano na Lian? Ano ba hinahanap ko?
Ano to? Plain rice na lang siya.
Fairness, iba ang weird ng ambience. Ito. May seaweed. Cheers. Weird na lata. Mayroon pala siyang laman ng ulo. Ang anghang nito, ang anghang. Ayoko na.
Ako na? Ito mo?
Actually, yung kapatid ng ex ko, hindi
Pininsyon niya talaga yun.
merong milk tea siya. King's Cup. Dito siya sa
Social Climbing 101.
number 10. Sarap to. Social climbing.
Ayan kung sino ang panalo. Ako yung peach. Ako yung peach, by the way. Ako yung peach. Ako yung peach. One-on-one kami ni Scott. Nandun siya sa kabila. Utang tayo. Buko ka na, di ka niya mahal. Di ba? Tangin ng close fight ito. Scott, tandaan mo to, di ka niya mahal. Wala na ako sustain. Sayang! The place talo. Kaya konti na lang, Renekton gamit niya may sustain siya, may sustain din ako. Hi, next Kyrel! Subscribe, follow and subscribe. Pwede rin subscribe, huwag na kayo mag-follow.
Pwede rin kung kayo mag-follow, donate, saka subscribe.
One of my good friends from Twitch, we go a long way, like super long way. Kaya follow this guy kahit wala na ako sa Twitch masyado, pero follow nyo na lang siya.
Yun ang caution share natin.
Pag nakalabas, ang pangako ko sa kanya, pag nakalabas ako,
50 kada buwan.
50 gift subs agad.
50 kada buwan.
One shot lang sa kada mo. 50 gift subs. Pero yun,
Every other month, King.
follow and subscribe. Funny ass guy. Like super funny ass guy. Okay, what's up guys? Status update. Galing kami second floor kasi nag-comfort room lang kami madali. Pero currently ongoing ang concert ni Kong sa loob ng ESGS main stage. I think that will be the wrap for day 2. Tingin ko dito na namin i-end yung adventures namin for day 2. Aagahan na namin ang punta namin. Late kasi kami ngayon dahil sinama namin to. Sinama namin siya. So, we'll see. Mangalay pala gumamit ng gimbal.
So, plus kayo.
Kaya, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Uwi na rin kami.
Bakit dalawa na lang?
Bonus footage. So, hindi pa namin divulge kung nasaan location kami nagsistay. So, the place is called, ano nga yun, Scott?
Four.
some beer and snacks. And we're going back na sa unit namin kasi we wanna eat our dinner and then rest early kasi we're gonna try to catch with the wave pool tomorrow. Kaya, I don't know kung may extra footage pa ako after nito, but just in case, I'll see you tomorrow for ESGS Day 3 Lights, Day 3. Bye guys.
Konnichiwa!